Hello, statistics students. Here's another video on visualizing variability with a scatter plot, seeing strength of association. Weak associations result in a large amount of scatter in the scatter plot. A large amount of scatter means that the points have a great deal of spread in the vertical direction. This vertical spread makes it somewhat harder to detect a trend. Strong associations have little vertical variation. The figure below 4.4 enables us to compare the strengths of two associations. In figure A, this shows the association between height and weight for a sample of active adults. In B, it involves the same group of adults, but this time we examine the association between waist size and weight. Which association is stronger? The association between waist size and weight is the stronger one, 4.4b. You can see less vertical variance. To see this in 4.4a, consider the data for people who are 65 inches tall. Their weights vary anywhere from about a minimum of 120 to a maximum of about 230, a range of 110 pounds. If you were using height to predict weight, you could be off by quite a bit. However, compare this to the data in B. For people with a waist size of 30 inches, their weights vary from about 120 to about 160. Only a 40-pound range. And that's what we're talking about with less vertical variance. The association between waist size and weight is stronger than that between height and weight because there's less vertical spread. So tighter predictions can be made. If you had to guess someone's weight and could only ask one question before guessing, you'd do a better job if you asked about the person's waist size than if you asked about his or her height. Labeling a trend as strong, very strong, or weak is a subjective judgment. Different statisticians might have different opinions. However, later in this section, we'll see how we can put a number on the strength. And we'll be measuring that strength with the R value. And this concludes this video for visualizing variability with a scatter plot.